Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're wondering why I'm wearing this clothes, I'm gonna film a get ready with me with you all. Pujo is around the corner. We all know that how much Durga Pujo is close to all Bengalis' heart. No corona can stop us from feeling the emotion, the love, the togetherness, and all sorts of good adjectives which we Bengalis feel. I hope you all Bengalis will be able to connect with my emotions. I'm very excited for today's video. Mohalaya is around the corner, like it's next week, and the weather around us is almost like it's saying that we are near the corner. Our festival has just arrived. It's knocking in our doors. So without any further ado, let's just get started with the video. My face is already washed and moisturized. I've already applied a moisturizer 3 to 4 hours back. So I'll be starting off using a good hydrating moisturizer again. As I don't use a primer, so I'll be using this one to moisturize my skin. This one is the Pond's Light Moisturizer. I have tucked my hair in a bun at the back. My face is moisturized, my lips are moisturized. So let's get started with the foundation. I'll take this much amount on the back of my palm. I hope you all have seen my very first video, like where I show how I apply my base. This much amount. The concealer which I'll be using is from the Maybelline Fit Me range. Bit more coverage on my under eyes, so I'll again go with the concealer once. Compact which I'm using is from Color Bar. It's a very old compact. It's in the shade 002 Shell. I've already hit pan on this one. So my base is set, and now I'll move on to contouring. Shade 01 Top Topper. I really love this one. Out my face, stop talking and start applying the contour. And once I'm done with that, without wasting any further time, I'll move on with my eyes. The eyes of a Bengali woman are the utmost beauty. I'll show you how I interpret the eyes of a Bengali woman. Starting off with the eyebrows, I'll be using this one, this NYX Microbrow Pencil. First, I'll take the spoolie and I'll brush through my brows. Also, my brows are a bit
out of shape right now because I am shaping it by myself, and this brow is a bit drooped and this one has become a bit lifted. So I really can't figure out how to do it. This corona has become such a headache. Oof. Since I'm going for a day look, I'll keep it very natural. I'll just fill in the sparse areas. I'm having a little sparse area here. And once I'm done with the brows, I'll move on to the favorite part of my makeup, that is eyes.
using the same concealer. I'll prime my lids first. I think I'm almost done with this concealer, like nothing is coming out. Almost finished.
Wow. I'll put the powder over my lid. It will help the eyelid to not crease, if I make some sense. Like once you put the concealer, after some time the lines start creasing. So this will help it from not creasing. This palette has matte shades, metallic shades. It has a white shade for highlighting. It is a very good palette. Like you can create so many looks with this palette. I think I'll be going with this color today. I've not used this color. I've used this. This one I've used so much. This one I've not used, so I'll be using this color today.
I'll start blending it from the outer corner of my eyes. I'll put it all over my eyelid. As I'm going outwards, I'm diffusing the color, and as I'm going inward, I'm building the color. Make sure you take time with blending the colors and take little product and work with it, and then go ahead with some more product. Don't take too much product in one go. Again, it will not blend properly and your eyes will look like monkey. Using my finger and dip into this shadow. This is a metallic shadow, this one. I feel metallics work the best, metallics and shimmers with fingers, because the natural oils of the finger warms up the shadow and helps. You see so much, it's pigmented. It's so beautiful, the color. Oh my god. I think I will put it here also. I'll take this much amount and then again I'll do it in the left end. In the blending brush, I'll blend it now. Be very gentle while blending your shadows, don't move it. Since I'm done with my eyes, I'll move back to my face. Very soft shade, and I'll just stop talking and put the lip liner. last but not the least step which I'm left with. This is the life-changing step. Not life-changing, this is the full game-changing step. Small maroon bindi here. Here or here, I feel. Here. Where should I put it? I should put it here, I should put it here. Obviously, you can't answer. I think I should put it here. This is giving much of a vintage and traditional Bengali look. I'll be changing into a sari and I'll be back in some time. I am back in the sari, as you can see. It's my mom's very old sari and it's a traditional sari of our Bengal. It's known as toshor. I'm not really sure about the fabric, but I think my mom told me that it is toshor. It's a beautiful sari, and I have also changed into this gold ring in my finger. Don't worry, this is of fake gold obviously, and since I've changed into this, I thought of changing my earrings also to these big studs, these fake gold studs. I think it complements the look so well, and I'm ready to head out for pandal hopping, or I think I'm ready to go to I think what to say, like actually we say Anjali or Pushpanjali in Bengali. I think I'm ready to go for that, and this look is like, this look has my heart. I'm feeling so me in this look. Like sari is like my go-to wear. I can wear sari anytime. I really love to be in a sari, and I hope that you all are also prepping up, at least from your mind, for this festive season, for this occasion. Like I am so pumped, I am so energetic, I'm so happy. I can't stop telling that what I'm feeling right now. Like
From the time I woke up today in the morning, I was feeling so happy with the weather, and now even the sun is out, it's bright, the weather is so perfect, I can't stop talking about this.
comment down below if you love this look and share with everyone, and also comment down below how much you are excited for this festival.
Bengalis ain't no corona stopping us.
Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed my chatty get ready with me video for Durga Pujo. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the small bell notification just beside it to stay updated whenever I upload my next video. So check the description box for all the products that I used in the video. I'll provide all the links of the products from where you can buy if you are interested. শারদীয়ার প্রীতি, শুভেচ্ছা ও আন্তরিক অভিনন্দন সবাইকে।